Known around the globe for its gravity-defying tilt, the Leaning Tower of Pisa is more than just a quirky architectural wonder. It's a masterpiece steeped in history and intrigue. Today, we're unpacking 5 fascinating facts about this iconic structure that will make you see it in a whole new way. Let's lean into the story behind the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Fact 1. It wasn't meant to lean. Believe it or not, the tower's famous tilt wasn't part of the original plan. Construction began in 1173, and by the time they reached the 3rd story, the soft, unstable ground beneath started causing the structure to tilt. Architects tried to correct the problem over the years, but the tilt just kept increasing. What a way to make your mark in history. Fact 2. It took nearly 200 years to finish. Patience must have been a virtue back then, because the Leaning Tower was under construction for nearly 2 centuries. Work stopped several times, including during wars and financial troubles. Ironically, those pauses allowed the ground to settle, saving the tower from toppling over entirely. Talk about a case of good timing. Fact 3. The lean is stabilized, but not gone. If you're wondering whether the Leaning Tower is still safe to visit, good news, it is. Between 1990 and 2001, engineers worked to stabilize the tilt using counterweights and soil excavation. They successfully reduced the lean by about 17 inches, but they didn't straighten it completely. That iconic tilt, it was preserved on purpose to keep its charm alive. Fact 4. It's an architectural masterpiece. The tower is part of the Piazza dei Miracoli, or Square of Miracles, which also includes a cathedral and baptistery. Its elegant Romanesque design, with 8 stories of marble arches and intricate details, makes it a breathtaking work of art even without the tilt. Imagine how impressive it must have been for medieval visitors. Fact 5. Galileo's famous experiment. Maybe legend has it that Galileo Galilei dropped 2 spheres of different weights from the tower to prove his theory that objects fall at the same rate regardless of mass. While there's no solid proof this experiment happened, it's a story that ties the landmark to one of the greatest scientific minds in history. Even myths can make history more exciting. The Leaning Tower of Pisa is more than just a tourist attraction. It is a symbol of resilience, ingenuity, and history standing the test of time. Whether it's the engineering challenges or its unique tilt, it continues to captivate millions. Which fact about the Leaning Tower surprised you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more stories behind the world's most famous landmarks. Thanks for watching.